In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zelle on the Wells Fargo app. So, if you're looking to seamlessly send and receive money with ease, you're in the right place. First things first, let's get started by opening up the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you haven't already, you'll want to download it from the App Store if you're using an Apple device, or Google Play for Android devices. Once it's on your phone, go ahead and open it up. If this is your first time using the app or if you've recently updated your device, make sure you log in using your username and password. This security measure helps ensure that your financial information is safeguarded. Once you're logged in and on the home screen, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Send Money with Zelle option. Now, depending on your version of the app, you might see this option right away, or you might need to look under the Transfer and Pay section. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to easily access it in the future. After you've found and tapped on Send Money with Zelle, you'll be prompted to either get started or enroll now. This is an important step as you'll be agreeing to certain terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them. It might be tempting to just quickly accept, but a brief scan can be quite enlightening. Next, you'll need to decide which email address or US mobile number you want to associate with your Zelle profile. This is the contact info people will use to send you money, so make sure it's an address or number you check regularly. You might have multiple emails, or perhaps different phone numbers, so choose the one you're most comfortable using for financial communications. With your email or phone number selected, it's time to link your Wells Fargo account. Decide which specific account you want to use for Zelle transactions. This will be the account from which you'll send money and into which you'll receive payments. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one you use most for convenience. Finally, it's time to verify all your details. Double check everything to make sure the information is correct, and then complete the setup. Once everything's verified, you're all set up. Congratulations, you are now ready to send or receive money instantly using Zelle within the Wells Fargo app. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to set up Zelle. This feature is perfect for splitting bills, paying back friends, or any quick money transfers you might need. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!